Okay, so today I'm gonna show y'all how to make the chip bags. So if you ordered from me, I probably gave you the labels that look like this. If you order digitals, you should print your labels out on a 8 by 11, 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. And when you print it out, you just wanna when you print it out, you're gonna have white parts around it, even if you printed the whole page. But that's just how printers work, so it's fine. And we're gonna actually use this white part, okay? So you can print this on. This is just regular printer paper here, but you can print it on photo paper. The photo paper you'll get is just regular photo paper. Um, it gives you the glossy look if that's the look that you're going for. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, my thing's shaking. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take double-sided tape, and I don't think the double-sided tape works for the photo paper. You can hot glue it if you want to do it for that. Okay? But you're just gonna put a line across here. You don't want to do it all the way. Hold on, let's start over. You don't want to do it all the way at the top. You want to do it right where your image starts at. And then this one you do want to put as close to the edge as you can and go right down the side. And then you want to do the same thing with the bottom part here. So make sure that on the bottom you don't go all the way to the bottom, because you will be taking that off. Okay, so you'll get your bag of chips, place it inside, fold the part that has no tape on it over, and then the part that has tape on it over top of it. And you just want to press it down, make sure it's in there nicely. I got a little tape right there. And then you want to press the two sides together. So you have that. You can go ahead and cut off your white part. And there's your chip bag. Okay, let's do one more. So you got your chip bag, and you just want to turn it face down. Take your tape. And go across the top line. Now make sure that you're putting tape where your image is, and if you have, you can see where the image starts. See where the image starts. You just want to put it where the image is, because you're going to cut this white part off. So you want to make sure that you put the tape on the part that you're going to keep. So, okay, so you're just going to take your double-sided tape, and go across the top, and then as close to this side edge that you can get it. You want to put it on the white part of the side edge, so as close to the edge as you can get it. And I'm out of tape. Okay. And then you're going to do this bottom part too. So again, the same as you did the top part, do the bottom part right where your image starts at. Okay. So, and you don't have to do this side, only this side. And you take your chip, put it in the middle. Make sure you fold the side without tape over first. And then fold the side with tape over top of it. You want to try to make it as even as possible. And then you just want to close your edges, which I already have tape on them. Just lay them flat. Fold them. Same thing for this one. Lay it flat. Put it in. So you got your chip bag. What you want to do is take you some scissors, cut off the white part. Boom. And cut off this white part. So you got your chip bag. And then if you want to really, really be fancy, you can take it and buy this. You can find this on my Amazon. It's a hot crimper, a paper crimper, a hot paper crimper. And you just take it, make sure you put all the paper in there, hold it on there. It is hot. I only hold it for like 5 seconds, not a lot. See how you see how it crimps the paper up? So I'm going to do it again so y'all can see. See how that side isn't done yet? I'm just going to crimp it. Like I said, about 5 seconds. And that's it. You do the same thing to the top. And that's your chip bag. Tons of them. They look really cute. Alright, thank you.